Hello, my dear friends. I hope you're all doing wonderful and having a beautiful, creative day. Today, I'm so happy to be with you again as we paint a soft and dreamy spring landscape together. In this scene, delicate pink cherry blossom trees stretch gracefully across the canvas, while a glowing field of yellow wildflowers spreads endlessly beneath them. Let's begin our painting journey step by step. After covering the upper part of the canvas with a soft sky blue, I gradually deepen my color and begin shaping the distant background trees with a misty effect. I make sure not to keep the color flat or uniform. Instead, I softly vary the tones by adding lighter and darker areas. This subtle variation helps create a more natural, atmospheric look and gives the illusion of depth far in the distance. Next, I mix blue, yellow, and just a touch of red to create a rich, dark green. With this color, I start building the base of the lower part of the painting. On one side, I deepen the tone further by adding a bit of blue and black, creating a stronger contrast that will balance the brightness of the flowers later on. Then, using a mixture of red, yellow, and a little black, I create a deep earthy tone and gently form a pathway along one side of the composition. This path adds direction and leads the viewer's eye into the scene, making the landscape feel more alive and inviting. Now it's time to bring the field to life. With a suitable brush, I begin painting the yellow wildflowers that blanket the ground. Starting from the distance, I place them very close together, almost clustered, to create the illusion of perspective. As I move closer to the foreground, I slightly darken my color in certain areas to suggest the soft shadows that will later be cast by the trees. Before continuing with the flowers in the foreground, I shift my focus to the cherry blossom trees. I mix white, red, and just a hint of blue to create a soft, beautiful pink. Using a relatively larger brush, I begin shaping the blossoms with gentle, layered strokes. The tree in the foreground is painted slightly darker and with more clarity, while the trees further back remain softer and lighter to maintain depth. With a smaller brush, I carefully start adding highlights to the blossoms. The distant trees receive lighter and more diffused highlights, while the blossoms on the front tree are more defined and vibrant. Then, using a small round brush in a diluted dark color, I begin drawing the tree trunks and branches one by one. Some branches peek through the blossoms, adding realism and structure, while the branches of the foreground tree are painted more clearly and with greater detail. Next, I mix a light grassy green using blue and yellow and begin adding subtle grass strokes between the flowers in the foreground. Since many flowers will cover this area, there's no need to fill every space. The darker green base beneath is enough to support the composition. Now I return to the flowers in the foreground. Following the same rule of perspective, I paint them more spaced out, larger, and more detailed as they come closer to the viewer. I'd love to get to know you better. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this video from. It always makes me so happy to see how far this art journey reaches around the world. Your messages truly inspire me, so don't be shy and tell me your country or city. Also, I'm curious, which season do you love the most? Do you enjoy the fresh beauty of spring, the warmth of summer, the cozy colors of autumn, or the calm magic of winter? I can't wait to read your answers. I also add slight variations by introducing a soft orange tone into some of the flowers, which makes them feel more natural and vibrant. As I continue, I take my time adding more and more details, building layers that bring richness and life to the painting. Finally, I go back to the large tree in the foreground and complete the blossoms on its branches, allowing some areas to be more densely covered to create a beautiful sense of fullness and balance. I truly hope you enjoyed painting this peaceful spring scene with me. If you did, please don't forget to support the channel with a like and a comment. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope to see you again in the next painting. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired.